What are you doing?
Messaging random people about business.
Don't do that. Don't you know that's bad marketing? What is up? This is Val, aka Miss Lynn, and I have 2 tips for you today about how to not promote MCA. 2 things when it comes to promoting online that you should never, ever do. Ever. So the first one is I don't want you to ever cold market. And what does that mean? It means that you shouldn't be just messaging people randomly. You shouldn't just send out a random message to a bunch of random people that you've never met and say, hey, if you want to work from home, I have an opportunity, go ahead and message me back. Like, don't do it. There's, it's the same with cold calling. Like, I don't know who would have the confidence to honestly do that. I wouldn't have the confidence to just call some random person and talk about an income opportunity. But hey, people do it, and it's not good. So anytime that you're online and you're promoting, absolutely do not just randomly message people and throw your offer out and say, hey, if you're interested in making money, this is the way to do it. Or message me, blah, blah, blah. Like, it's really, really bad marketing, and it doesn't just make the company look bad, it just makes the whole industry look bad. And this is why people outside of, the online marketing industry and just, the making money online industry, outside of that, people judge based on the people that promote it. Therefore, people who are just randomly jumping in their inbox that they've never heard from talking about how they want, to teach them how to make money online, it's really bad. So that's why people who promote things and online business and stuff have a bad reputation because of how people are promoting it. If you've ever had an HQ solo ad person jump in your inbox, they just randomly message you, they kind of try to start a conversation, it's always the same, they always have a script, and it's always just really bad, and you can always tell that they're HQ solo people, and they're really bad about it, and it gives their company such a bad reputation. Like, there could be a really good associate, and they're genuine, and they can actually help you advance in your business, but you would never know because that company originally, already has a bad reputation because of the way that those people are taught to promote. So that is why cold messaging, cold calling, that stuff should never ever be done, so don't do it. You have to build some sort of rapport with somebody. People have to have some sort of trust and a reason to want to do business with you. Therefore, just initially cold messaging them just destroys that. You have to build a little bit of rapport before you can actually present the opportunity and talk to them about business. You have to have some sort of base there that you can communicate on. Anyway, and then the second thing is something that I used to do when I first started because I didn't know any better. It's what my mentor did, so, she was my example, so therefore I naturally went off and did the same thing that she did because that's, what I had to work off of. So the next thing that you never want to do, at least with MCA, is don't post ads stating, if I paid you $80 a day for posting ads on social media, would you do it? Like, you cannot post any type of ad, at least you shouldn't post any type of ad about the company to get traffic that basically just states that people are getting paid to post ads, because people legitimately think it's just that. They legitimately just think that they're actually going to get paid $80 a day for posting ads. Like, when I first started, I posted ads like that because, like I said, that's what my mentor did, so I just went off of what she did. And I had people message me that were interested, and, where they were talking about, is it actually ads? Is it actually just me posting ads? And I said, no, you do have to sell something, and that turned them completely off. And then they were kind of mad, too, because they didn't understand why I was promoting that way if that wasn't actually what, the job entailed. And that was, whenever I see associates promoting like that, it just like makes me feel so bad. I'm like, don't do it, just don't do it, because people really get a bad vision from you initially, because they think, oh, I'm going to get paid $80 a day just to post ads on social media. Like, I can totally do that. Of course anybody can do that. Duh, anybody can do that. But that's not what's going on. You actually have to make sales, and you actually do have to make the sale. Yes, the ads bring you traffic, but the ads don't make you money. So that's just another thing that goes into negatively promoting with the company and representing it badly, and therefore it's just another reason that people judge the industry bad. They judge MCA negatively because of the way people are promoting it. So those are my 2 tips to you. Do not cold message people, do not cold market people, and don't post ads that state that people can make money just from posting ads online, because you know it's more than that. You know that there's more effort involved. And just don't be untruthful right off the bat, and don't just message people that you don't even know, that you have never talked to about anything. Build a little bit of trust first, connect with that person a little bit first, and then they will want to do business with you. And you can totally post ads that say, looking to train 6 people this week to run their own business from home. You can earn you can earn anywhere from $200 to $500 a week, and you can put that in there. But that's not being untruthful. You're stating what the potential is, and you're stating exactly what they're doing. So don't just post about, hey, earn $80 for posting ads on social media, because people are going to be all over you. You're going to get a ton of leads, and they're all going to be pissed off and most likely not join after they find out they actually do have to sell something, and that there's more entailed with the business than just posting ads. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow.